morning students. Today we will discuss about the F block elements. These F block elements are those elements whose last electron enter in F orbital. Whose last electron enter in F orbital, these are included in F block element. All F block elements are also known as rarer earth metal or inner transition metal. Rarer earth metal or inner transition metal. These are rarer earth metal because F block elements are very rarely or in less amount found in the earth crust. So these are known as rarer earth metal, or these are also known as inner transition metal because these F block elements are present inside the transition metal or D block element in the group between 3 and 4. These F block element exist between group 3 and 4 and in the period 6th and 7th. That means the F orbital whose last electron enter in 6s orbital. 6s orbital included in 6th period is known as 4f series because last electron of 6th period elements enter in 4f orbital and electron present in 7th period is known as 5f series because last electron of these elements present in 7th period enter in 5f orbital. The element whose last electron enter in 4f orbital are start after lanthanum. So these are known as lanthanoids. Lanthanoids. And the elements of 5d series start after actinium of D block element. So these are known as actinoids. General electronic configuration of F block. General electronic configuration of F block element is beta NS 1 to 2 or NS2. N minus 1d 0 to 1, either 1 electron or none of the electron. But progressively electron enter in anti-penultimate shell, that is N minus 2 F orbital from 1 to 14 and exists between 6 to 7 only. Clear? Beta outermost shell. This is the outermost shell. It is known as ultimate shell. Outermost shell is known as ultimate shell. Then the shell before the ultimate shell, that is N minus 1d orbital, that is called penultimate shell. Penultimate shell. And the shell last but second, N minus 2 last but second, is known as anti-penultimate shell. It means in case of F block element, electrons are successively added with successive element in anti-penultimate shell. Clear? Now, beta in your syllabus, lanthanoids are there. Only one question remains in your syllabus, that is, what is lanthanoid contraction? Give its cause and consequences. Beta size of lanthanoid. Lanthanoids are smaller in size as compared to S block element, but they are larger than P block as well as D block elements. but these 14 orbitals, these 14 elements of 4f series or 5f series are exist only in this line between third and fourth group. So approximate of all the lanthanoids is approximate same. Now beta oxidation state. Oxidation state, either lanthanoid or actinoids, they have +3 oxidation state, more stable. +3 oxidation state, more stable, and electron progressively filled in 4f or 5f orbital. Clear? Now our question is that what is lanthanoid contraction? Give its cause. And consequences. This is the question. Beta, contraction means decrease. Contract means decrease. Lanthanoid contraction means decrease in the size of lanthanoids with increasing atomic number. Lanthanoid contraction is the decrease in atomic size, decrease in size of atoms or ions of lanthanoids with increase in atomic number. With increasing atomic number. As the atomic number of lanthanoids increase, their size is progressively, successively decreased by one step. This is known as lanthanoid contraction. Contraction means decrease in the size. Then what is the cause? Beta, as we move along the period or as we move along the series, electron, new and new electron is added with successive element. As the number of electron increase, nuclear charge increase. Nuclear charge between outermost shell and outermost shell and nucleus increase. If nuclear charge increase, it tend to attract the outermost electron in which new electron added, attract towards the nucleus and atomic size decrease. With increase in atomic number, a new electron added in 4f orbital. Only for lanthanoid, beta, it is 4f orbital. For actinoid, it is 5f orbital. A new electron added in 4f orbital. Nuclear charge increase. As the nuclear charge increase, the force of attraction between nucleus and the shell in which electron added increase. Force of attraction increase means size decrease. Beta, with the addition of new electron, in 4f orbital, imperfect shielding. This one is important word beta. Imperfect shielding increase with another. Imperfect shielding increase with another due to shape of f orbital. It means imperfect shielding. Shielding means protection. Beta, imperfect shielding means the electron already present in 4f orbital, 5d orbital and 6s orbital of outermost shell. They also show some shielding for incoming electron from nucleus. This is due to the size of f orbital. Due to the size of f orbital is three-dimensional orbital. Due to size of f orbital, the another electron show imperfect shielding on new electron. But this imperfect shielding enables to counterbalance. This imperfect shielding unable to counterbalance the nuclear charge. Nuclear charge try to decrease the size. Imperfect shielding try to increase the size. But imperfect shielding is less than nuclear charge. That means imperfect shielding cannot cancel the effect of nuclear charge. As a result, size decrease because nuclear charge predominate over imperfect shielding. Beta, this is the important one for the course. It is important. Each and every teacher wants to check this line either in your language, okay, in the course of lanthanoid contraction. Then, what are the consequences? Consequences means effect, not effect, effect. Effects of the lanthanoid contraction. Beta, effects of lanthanoid contraction. First of all, due to lanthanoid contraction, separation of lanthanoid is quite difficult. Due to lanthanoid contraction, size of lanthanoids is approximate same. If we want to separate the lanthanoids, it is not possible with us because 14 lanthanoids, the difference in size total is 11 picometer. In ionic radii it is 14 picometer, not more than that. Then beta, atomic size of second and third transition series is approximate same. It is also due to lanthanoid contraction. It is also due to lanthanoid contraction. Third one, smaller the size of lanthanoid, more the covalent character of their hydroxides. That means their basic character decrease. The basic character of hydroxides of lanthanoids decrease due to decrease in size. As the size of lanthanoid decrease, covalent character of hydroxides increase. If covalent character increase, that means their ionic behavior decrease. If ionic behavior decrease, their basic strength decrease. And last one, beta actinoids also have some similarities as well as differences with lanthanoids. Similarities and differences between lanthanoids and actinoids. Beta similarities. Between lanthanoids and actinoids. First of all, like lanthanoid contraction, actinoids also have actinoid contraction. Like lanthanoid contraction, actinoids also show actinoid contraction. Beta, both lanthanoids and actinoid both have +3 oxidation state. Both have +3 oxidation state, more stable. Both have +3 oxidation state, more stable. Then beta, both have magnetic and spectral property. Both have magnetic and spectral properties. Both are metal. Metals are electropositive in nature. So we can say both are metals. Both are electropositive in nature. Both are metallic. Both are metals. Both are electropositive in nature. Both of them show magnetic properties. Magnetic properties means they are paramagnetic in nature. They have unpaired electron in outermost electronic configuration. They have, both of them have magnetic properties and spectral also. Due to presence of unpaired electron, electron can vibrate from lower shell to higher shell and then come back to ground state. By loss of same amount of energy, spectra is obtained. Both have magnetic and spectral properties. Then beta, differences. What are the differences between lanthanoids and actinoids? What are the differences? Differences between lanthanoids and actinoids. Lanthanoids, actinoids. Beta, there are some differences. This is not the difference that lanthanoids 4F series, 5F series. It is not the difference. These are the basic behavior. Na? Lanthanoids beside +3. Lanthanoids have +2 and +4 oxidation state, more stable. Oxidation state also. But actinoids beside +3, they have +4, +5, +6 or higher oxidation states also. Then beta, all actinoids are radioactive in nature. All are radioactive in nature. But in case of lanthanoids, only promethium is radioactive except promethium. All are non-radioactive. Only this is radioactive. Other are non-radioactive. Beta, lanthanoids are smaller in size. They are larger in size. They have less tendency to form complexes, but they have more tendency to form complexes. Less tendency for complex formation. Beta, more tendency to form complex formation. Clear? Then plus 3 oxidation state, both have, but they have plus 2 plus 4, they have plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 and so many. All are non-radioactive except promethium. They all are radioactive. Beta, they form complexes but in less amount. They form complexes in large amount. They do not produce colored ion. The ions are colorless. But they produce colored ion. Beta, lanthanoid do not produce any oxocation. Do not form any oxocation. They form 3 oxocation. Oxocations are, beta, they form 3 oxocations. Only 3. UO2 plus, U for uranium, UO2 plus 2 and plutonium dioxide plus 2. These 3 oxocations are formed by actinoids. These are all about lanthanoids and actinoids. If in your exam question is that what is actinoid contraction, give its cause and consequences. Only one consequence is left, that is the size of second and third transition series remains same. It is only due to lanthanoid contraction. Other 2 consequences are same. Like lanthanoid, as do you define lanthanoid contraction? You will directly write actinoid contraction. Decrease in the size of actinoid due to increase in atomic number. Cause is same. In place of 4F you will use 5F only. And out of 3 consequences, 2 are used in actinoid contraction. Only size of second and third transition series is only due to the lanthanoid contraction. That is not due to the actinoid contraction. Thank you.